Welcome to Fitness Notion YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 best at-home workout programs. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to Fitness Notion channel for future updates. What exercises should you do? Answering all of these questions is a source of additional stress for many of us right now. The good news is that you may avoid this without foregoing your workout. There are a number of at-home fitness programs available that eliminate the guesswork. They'll provide you with the entire workout routine, and all you have to do is show up and prepare to sweat. There are so many at-home training regimens available that choosing the ideal one for you might be difficult. While you may have heard friends or co-workers extol the virtues of their favorite home workout program, such as Tone It Up or Insanity, choosing the best home workout programs for you is a personal decision depending on your lifestyle and goals. To help you choose the best home workout program for you, we looked at some of the most popular options to make sure the routines were legitimate and well programmed, and to lay down what you can anticipate from each. Here's how it works with 10 of the most popular at-home fitness regimens. Number 10. Alo Moves. What it is: every week, you'll get a new workout, ranging from yoga to Pilates to meditation. Thousands of different training options are available here for people of all fitness levels: beginner, moderate, intermediate, and advanced. Classes are organized by fitness level, length, and style, so you'll have no trouble finding what you're looking for. There are many different types of yoga classes, ranging from Ashtanga to Vinyas, as well as fitness programs like HIIT or Bar, and even skills-based workshops, where you can learn to improve your handstand or increase your flexibility so you can do a split. You may even take your workout with you, say, to your backyard or an open park, because the routines can be downloaded for on-the-go use. Number 9. P.Volve. What it is: the P.Volve fitness program helps increase functional strength by using resistance-based, high-intensity, yet low-impact moves. You'll have access to more than 200 workouts, with new ones added weekly, through P.Volve's streaming platform, which you can search based on things like body areas exercised or duration of time. The plan is customized, and the app will actually suggest workouts for you each week depending on your goals, removing some of the guesswork from your program. Optional equipment, such as the flexible P.Ball, resistance bands, and ankle weights, is also available from P.Volve. Number 8. Obe Fitness. Obe Fitness is an exercise platform that provides unlimited access to live and on-demand fitness classes. Obe Fitness puts the top fitness instructors in NYC right in your living room. There are 100 live courses every week, and its distinctive 28-minute exercises fit into any schedule. If your time is tight, they also have a 10-minute express workout. Aim for 5 classes each week to get the most out of the program: 2 strength-based defined classes and 3 cardio-based sweat classes. The computer suggests classes depending on your fitness level and prior experience. It emphasizes gradually increasing resistance and modifying moves that are too difficult. Obe also sells optional equipment such as sliders, tiny bands, and ankle weights if you want to add more resistance. Number 7. BBG. BBG is a workout program developed by Australian trainer Kayla Itziness that combines low-intensity cardio, high-intensity interval training, and guided strength training circuit workouts to raise your heart rate and challenge your muscles. Dumbbells, a medicine ball, flat benches, and a jump rope are required for the routines, but alternatives are possible if you don't have any of these items. Workouts are available on the app, but if you want a more traditional book experience, the guidelines are also available in ebook format. Number 6. Core de Force. What it is: a 30-day cardio program based on mixed martial arts including boxing, kickboxing, and Muay Thai that requires no equipment. Core de Force is an at-home fitness program created by Joel Freeman and Jericho McMatthews that mixes boxing, kickboxing, and Muay Thai combos, bodyweight routines, and other cardio enhancements. Boxing workouts require your core to help with rotation and keep you steady with every jab and hook, so it's abs focused as well. There are 8 different workouts to pick from, each with 6 to 12 3-minute sessions. Each workout is 27 to 47 minutes total. Number 5. Fit Girls Guide 28-Day Jumpstart. What it is: a comprehensive exercise program centered on self-love and community that is suitable for beginners. While you can purchase and complete the Fit Girls Guide 28-Day Jumpstart package at any time, this is a unique fitness program in that you're encouraged to participate in monthly challenges and connect with and support other individuals on Instagram. The 30-minute workouts don't require any equipment and include both cardio and weight training. The 28-Day Jumpstart features 4 weeks of routines written out, with an illustrated description of how to complete each one with good form. It also comes with a Jumpstart journal, which includes a diet and activity journal, as well as self-love coaching, weekend health goal recommendations, and advice on how to stop body-shaming self-talk. Number 4. Insanity. It's a 60-day cardio-based program designed for advanced exercisers. According to Beachbody, the workout's distributor, you don't have to be in extreme shape to try this program, but be warned, Insanity is a difficult program. It was created by Shaun T. and consists of 10 30 to 60-minute conditioning sessions that you complete 6 days a week. According to Beachbody, the workout's distributor, you don't have to be in extreme shape to try this program, but be warned, Insanity is a difficult program. It was created by Shaun T. and consists of 10 30 to 60-minute conditioning sessions that you complete 6 days a week. The program is based around long periods of maximum intensity exertion with brief recovery periods built in, and each exercise mixes cardio and plyometric drills with intervals of strength, power, resistance, and core training. There's no need for special equipment, and it also includes a nutrition guide. Number 3. Love Sweat Fitness Hot Body Sweat Guide. What it is: an 8-week cardio and strength training program suitable for people of all fitness levels. Katie Dunlop's Hot Body Sweat Guide takes her Love Sweat Fitness platform to the next level, where people can find free workout resources and build community. On the website or on Instagram, this 8-week program is jam-packed with simple and enjoyable workouts that emphasize cardio and strength, specifically your arms, legs, abs, and butt. The ebook includes 8 weeks of workouts that are under 30 minutes long and require no equipment. The program also contains an exercise encyclopedia, a warm-up and stretching guide, and extra workouts, as well as an exercise encyclopedia so you can reference how to complete each motion with appropriate form. Number 2. PiYo 28. What it is: a 28-day Pilates-based interval workout program that takes no equipment, little space, and only 28 minutes per day. Cassie Ho, the inventor of Blodulates, created PiYo 28 by combining the core strengthening features of her Pop Pilates system with high-intensity interval training, which stands for Pilates Intense Interval Training. There are 6 workouts per week, and each one lasts 28 minutes and 40 seconds. During each session, you'll do 7 different 45-second exercises, resting for 15 seconds in between. Then you do it 3 times more. In terms of the exercises themselves, they alternate between aerobic and Pilates techniques. The program contains 17 guided workout videos, as well as an ebook with printable workout copies, a workout schedule, a guide to warm-ups in perfect form for each exercise, and a repetition sheet to track progress. Number 1. PiYo. What it is: a low-impact 60-day workout that combines aspects of Pilates and yoga with a faster speed for cardiac benefits. PiYo, which was created by Kayleen Johnson, differs from other fitness programs in that it is low impact, making it an excellent alternative for persons with joint problems. The no jumping rule is also beneficial if you have downstairs neighbors. Furthermore, no special equipment is necessary. The motions are done at a fast, flowing tempo to get your heart rate up, and they mix the strengthening features of Pilates with the flexibility-enhancing advantages of yoga. As a result, you won't be able to hold yoga positions for long periods of time. 7 routines, a 60-day workout calendar, and a nutrition plan are included in the program. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.